Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So I've got a day off work today and I'm at my new renovation project. This is the first time I've been here or will be spending any major time here. I'm going to start stripping off a bit of wallpaper and just having a general poke around today. I've got some tools at the property. It looks a bit of a mess at the minute, and indeed it is, so I'm just going to have a little bit of a tidy up, and I'm actually going to start with stripping this wallpaper off the walls. I'm going to take those shelves off, so just make a little bit of a start really. I'll be steaming this wallpaper, so no idea what the plaster's like underneath, but hopefully it's not going to be too fragile. Right guys, this is my first use of the DeWalt combi drill. I must say the light is very handy to have on it. By the way, the watch I'm wearing today, and always wear when I do any DIY, is of course my beloved G-Shock. By the way, if you're a pet lover and you have cats, never throw away these bags because they're brilliant for DIYers. There's no point in paying for rubble bags when you can just simply reuse these. Also recycling as well. They're very, very durable. This tool here, incidentally, is called a taping knife, and it's used by plasterers. I have actually previously done a video on this particular tool, and it's absolutely fantastic. I love doing this, you know. It's really therapeutic, very satisfying. Especially when you get a really big bit. Where I've managed to remove the wallpaper, which is, well, you know, sort of 80–90% of it, we're just left with a backing coat, okay? So that might just come off with a wet sponge, which will be good. Anyway, I'm going to keep going, I'll get back to you. Right, okay guys, so I'm finishing up for the day now. I've been here for a good couple of hours and I'm very pleased with my progress. So I've removed most of the top layer of wallpaper off the walls simply by using a scraper. Very pleased with the progress. the plaster underneath where it's been exposed is in very good condition, so provided I'm careful I won't need to skim that, but I'll just put some lining paper on it. The plaster, as I say, is in good condition. There's a few bits in the corners which you expect really, in places like that. Look, that's easily sorted out, no problem at all. That's a piece of cake. But like I say, very, very good condition, nice and smooth. So in fact, actually almost that good that well, I don't think I'll be able to do it, but it would be nice to think that I could just paint over those, but I think it's perhaps being a little bit ambitious, to be honest with you. So yeah, all in all, very good. So anyway, like I say, I've had a bit of a tidy up. I forgot to bring the vacuum cleaner. So anyway, things are looking pretty tidy, or as tidy as it can be. I can load up some tools in the car. I filled up a few bags there, look, okay. Anyway, just waffling. Thanks for watching, and remember this, you don't need to live in a cave to be a man. And I shall see you soon. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Bye.